What's up, YouTube family? MrDavinci back with another video. I'm back at it, cold calling. I have an appointment later today. I just got off the phone with my client. He's on a job right now. So in the meantime, I figured now would be a great time for me to pick up the phone for day two and call some potential clients. So stick around, take some notes, and leave me a comment and feedback below on things that you feel that I can improve, or if you have not started cold calling yet, leave a comment below why you haven't, because it's all just a mindset. I know that you probably see that in a lot of YouTube videos, but the truth is it's all in your head and it's all in your mind. Once you give yourself the permission that you can make cold calls, you'll follow up with the belief that you can, and then eventually you'll take action. So hopefully I inspire you to take action. So I actually have a few businesses that I took pictures of around my city. I want to give them a ring. I want to see what we can do, and hopefully I can get the email. We can do business together. So bear with me for a quick second as I dial them up. Okay. What's that up here? Okay. I got some new rebuttals, so I'm actually excited for this part two of this video. I didn't have that much yesterday, but
Thank you for calling Kirk's and Associates. This is Karen. How may I help you?
hey, Karen, how you doing today? I seen your business around town, and I had a quick question for you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I was wondering if your business was interested in generating 5 to 10 new jobs per week. Is that something you guys would be interested in?
All depends. What are you suggesting?
So, my name is Bernard, and I'm a Facebook ad expert. I have 10 years of running Facebook ads, and all of my clients are very successful. They're making at least a minimum of 4 figures per month. And now I feel that since I have such an expertise, I want to give back to my local community to help out other business within the area, because as you see left and right in our city in Charlottesville, businesses are closing left and right, and I hate for that to happen to you guys businesses. And like I said, I seen your business around town, and I feel like it'd be very beneficial to helping you guys.
Okay, interesting. Continue.
Yes. So a brief a briefing of what I can do. So as I work with many of my clients, I'm able to use Facebook, as I mentioned. So what I do is I put your ad in front of qualified buyers who have an income, a minimum of 25,000, upwards of $100,000, and I qualify them. So I'm only going to send you qualified leads, and my goal for you guys is to get 5 to 10 jobs. Now, the metrics that I've been looking at based off the ads that I run, I'm able to get businesses in front of 1,000 people for around anywhere between $40 through $60. But the most important part is the cost per acquisition to acquire a customer. I typically can get businesses customers for anywhere between $20 through $40.
Interesting.
Yes. So what I propose is, before I continue, how many jobs are you guys doing now?
We're doing a lot. So
Yeah.
my question to you, Bernard, is where have you seen our our
Oh,
our advertising? Where have you seen
ironic
us?
ironic enough, I was actually getting gas this morning at the gas station, and I seen one of your trucks ride by, and I said, this is interesting. I actually spoke with the guy. I can't recall his name as of right now, but he told me, give you guys a call, and you never know. So I just figured that I'd give
Okay.
you guys a ring and hopefully partner up and do some business together. Because like I said, when I seen your ad on the truck, I really felt like you guys could really impact the community. But um, the main point that I want to draw is I don't charge up front. The only thing that I charge, I'm not expensive, but I'm not cheap either. But the only time that I get paid is when you guys get a job. So it's not like, you pay me to run your ads and, that's that. I only get paid once you guys get jobs. So once you guys get the job and you complete the jobs, I only charge a minimum of $50 per job that I generate you guys. How much do you guys charge for your services? Hello? Hello? What happened? See, she was interested. It was going good, but I got a really crappy phone. So, I mean, I'm gonna call back because it sounds like she wanted to do business with me. But I'm gonna call back because my phone sucks so bad. Hopefully, she picks up again.
Hi, Bernard.
Hey, yeah, sorry. It seems that we got disconnected. I'm having service issues where I was at. What was the last part that you heard from our conversation?
I heard you're not cheap, but you're not inexpensive, but you're not cheap.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so what I was saying is, um, okay, I'm not cheap, but I'm. Oh, okay. Sorry, I had a brain fart. So what I was saying is, I don't charge up front. The only time I get paid is when you guys, get a job, complete the job, and finish the job. I only charge a minimum of $50 per job that I generate for you. The only thing that you guys would have to invest in is the ad spend for Facebook. Depending on, how much you guys want to invest into this, I just use that money to run ads. So the only time I'm getting actual money is when you guys get a job. So it's like a 50-50 split. How much do you guys actually charge for your services?
All depends. Here's my question to you, Bernard. Can I get you to give me send your like resume and what your business plan is
Oh yeah,
to me,
definitely.
so I can look it over and talk it over with the owner of the company?
Yeah, definitely. What's a good email for you so I can send that over to you?
All right. It's actually under my name, which is Season Charis.
You said Charis?
Yep. It's like charismatic without the matic.
Okay.
And then it's at KHALS
All right.
.net.
.net. All right. Yeah. So yeah, I'll send you over that email probably within the next 5-10 minutes. Um, when do you think you would actually get a good time to present this to the owner of the business?
Probably either tomorrow or Thursday. Right now he's got a couple of meetings he's in right now, so I'd have to take a look at it, run it past, just double check with our lawyers and all that fun stuff. And like I said, then get back to, and then it'll get to his desk, and then we should probably be able to let you know probably about Wednesday or Thursday. If that's okay.
Yeah, that's awesome. That works fine with me. So okay, let's do this. I'm gonna send you this email. Like I said, it should arrive to you in the next 5-10 minutes. And how about I call you back on Thursday around this time? So Thursday at 3 o'clock. That sound good to you?
That sounds wonderful.
All right, thank you. Well, I appreciate your time, and I'm looking forward to definitely doing business with you guys.
Bernard, it was wonderful to hear from you. Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
You as well.
So as you see, I just picked up the phone. I called one of the businesses in my area. I was very, very professional. Yesterday I was semi, I was trying to figure out my flow, but today, like I said, I had strong rebuttals and the fact that she was open to the idea because I'm reaching out to businesses in my local city, and you know, I keep saying but the main point I'm trying to drive at home is in my city, in my town, businesses are closing left and right due to the pandemic because I can't say what I want to say because I'm going to get this demonetized. So the pandemic. So what I did was just paint a very clear picture. I qualified her. I told her how much I charge for my services. She seems very interested, and she didn't have any objections. She wasn't against the idea. She did ask me how did I find the business, which I told the truth. I just seen it when I was pumping gas at the gas station. I took a picture and I said, when I have the free time, which I do right now recording this video, let me just pick up the phone and call. And that was a yes. That's a follow up. She said that she's going to take what I send to her, give it to the owner, and they're going to get back to me Thursday. So I'm going to write that down. So as you seen, it's just as simple as picking up the phone. Hope you got a lot of value from this. If you did like this type of content, I ask you to like, subscribe, and comment. Hit that notification bell because I'm doing this every day. Every day. I was going to do another 5-10 cold calls. I probably will. But the time frame of this video is getting lengthy, so I'll save that for another video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you tomorrow.